The new lens I got is a Tamron 10-24. I think it's the same one as Finn's got. If you don't know who Finn is, I'll drop his Instagram below. It's somewhere around here if I can do this. I'm not sure. So go here. He's awesome. But yeah, this is the 10-24 Tamron. It's a sick ass wide angled lens. It was the cheapest one and also produces very good video quality. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for my DSLR to come back and then I can show you what this bad boy can do. So stay tuned for that. Yeah! I swear to God the vlog will start soon with some training. I've had a few issues where my ankle's been hurting. I did some deadlifts on Sunday. Go check my Instagram if you didn't see it. I deadlifted 140 kilos, which for me right now was a PB with my ankle problems, my lower back problems. For me, that's pretty good right now. So I was very happy with it, but it somehow managed ankle. It's like if you ever know ankle thingy, right? So all the PK boys out there, you know what ankle thingy is. I got that, but for like 4 days. Yeah, 4 days, right? Not 10 minutes. So I had that for like 4 days. I then did some, oh my God, my throat. Some ankle mobility work. Big up for Finn for that, because you know an awful lot of stuff about that. Thank you very much. That really, really did help. Dropping Finn in there again. Anyway, I did a whole bunch of ankle mobility work and it seemed to have got better, so I'm hopefully going to get kind of back to jumping and stuff very, very soon. I don't want to tempt it. The last time I did my ankle was like really hurty. I broke it, so I say broke it, I don't know. Something happened to it, I don't know. It was very painful. I was in a boot and crutches, so I'm not tempting fate. I want to heal it, I want to do it properly, I want to get a load of mobility. I've got the strength in my legs and stuff, just ankles for some reason. It's just the left one that's been a so yeah, let's start the vlog. This is boring, let's go. What's going on, people? It's Saturday morning. I didn't film yesterday. I was knackered, like really, really tired, just physically and emotionally drained. So we're going to try and get something this morning at least. So we're not sure, we'll see how we go. Okay, so I've got another line that I want to do, and I'm practicing getting my back 360s at the end of a run. Excuse under for the mats, I know they don't really count until you get them outside and stuff. I understand this, but it's taken me so long just to understand the rotation and stuff. So it's kind of why the mats are there, to get my confidence up, and then we bang them up outside. So yeah, here goes. Going on, Chris? Okay, this one's for you, man. It's just me. Everybody else in the gym. I'm gonna do it. Watch. Camera's gonna stay on, so you know I ain't cheating. There you go. Let's do this. Told you I got it again, buddy. Told you. No trickery. Bang. 17.1. Yeah.